Changing your subscription on CockroachDB Dedicated is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the CockroachDB Dedicated platform by entering your credentials on the login page. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to manage subscriptions. Step 2. Navigate to the subscription section. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Review current subscription. In the subscription section, review your current plan details. Take note of the features and limits associated with your existing subscription to understand what changes you may need. Step 4. Select a new subscription plan. Browse the available subscription options. Compare the features, pricing, and benefits of each plan. Choose the one that best fits your needs and click on the selection button. Step 5. Confirm changes and payment. After selecting a new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your changes. You may need to enter payment information or verify your billing details. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification of the successful subscription change. By following these steps, you can easily change your subscription on CockroachDB Dedicated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.